Welcome to the world of endless possibilities with laser cutting and engraving technology. With a laser cutter engraver, you can unlock a diverse range of products limited only by your imagination. From timeless classics to personalized treasures, let's explore the remarkable versatility of this cutting-edge technology across a myriad of materials. Clocks. Immerse yourself in the artistry of timekeeping with laser-cut clocks. From sleek minimalist designs to intricately detailed masterpieces, laser-cut clocks add a touch of elegance to any space. Coasters. Elevate your table setting with custom laser-engraved coasters. Whether it's rustic wooden coasters, vibrant acrylic designs, or eco-friendly cork creations, laser engraving brings your coasters to life with stunning detail. Boxes and enclosures. Create bespoke boxes and enclosures tailored to your exact specifications. Laser-cut wooden boxes, acrylic display cases, or intricately patterned paper packaging. The possibilities are endless for storing and showcasing your precious belongings. Jewelry. Craft one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces with laser precision. From delicate wooden pendants to intricately etched acrylic earrings, laser engraving adds a unique touch to your accessories, making them truly unforgettable. Signs. Make a statement with custom laser-cut signs. Whether it's bold wooden plaques, eye-catching acrylic signage, or whimsical paper banners, laser cutting allows you to express yourself with creativity and flair. Wedding decorations. Transform your special day with laser-cut wedding decorations. From elegant wooden table numbers to intricate paper lace accents, laser engraving adds a touch of sophistication to every aspect of your celebration. Engraved products. Personalize gifts and keepsakes with intricate laser engraving. Whether it's a heartfelt message on a wooden plaque, a monogrammed acrylic keychain, or a custom engraved cork coaster set, laser engraving adds a personal touch that lasts a lifetime. With a laser cutter engraver, the possibilities are truly limitless. Explore the world of laser cutting and engraving today and unleash your creativity across a diverse array of materials, including wood, cork, paper, acrylic, and more. Let your imagination soar and create extraordinary products that inspire and delight. There is a wide variety of different CO2 laser machines available, and the selection is continuously growing. The price range is big, with entry-level Chinese imports starting at about $500 and professional-grade machines costing several tens of thousands USD. Here is a quotation we had for a CO2 laser cutter and engraver, from which the most important characteristics are: working area, laser tube brand and numbers of usage hours, autofocus function, electrical assisted Z-axis, accessories such as air assist, chiller, and fan extractor. Working area. The working area of the CO2 laser cutter engraver defines the maximum dimensions of the material that can be processed. It's crucial to ensure that the working area meets your specific project requirements in terms of size and scalability. Laser tube brand and number of usage hours. The brand of the laser tube and the number of usage hours are essential factors in determining the reliability, performance, and lifespan of the CO2 laser cutter engraver. A reputable brand with a high-quality laser tube and a significant number of usage hours indicates durability and consistent performance over time. Autofocus function. The autofocus function allows for precise focusing of the laser beam onto the material surface, ensuring optimal cutting and engraving results. This feature eliminates the need for manual adjustment of the focal distance and improves efficiency and accuracy in laser processing. Electrical assisted Z-axis. An electrical-assisted Z-axis enables precise control of the vertical movement of the laser head, allowing for accurate positioning and depth control during cutting and engraving operations. This feature enhances the versatility and precision of the CO2 laser cutter engraver. Accessories. Additional accessories such as air assist, chiller, and fan extractor play a crucial role in enhancing the performance, safety, and efficiency of the CO2 laser cutter engraver. Air assist helps to remove debris and gases from the cutting area, while a chiller regulates the temperature of the laser tube to prevent overheating. A fan extractor helps to remove fumes and smoke generated during laser processing, maintaining a clean and safe working environment. Overall, when evaluating a quotation for a CO2 laser cutter engraver, it's essential to prioritize the characteristics that align with your specific needs, applications, and budget constraints. By focusing on key features such as working area, laser tube brand and usage hours, autofocus function, electrical assisted Z-axis, and accessories, You can make an informed decision and invest in a CO2 laser cutter engraver that meets your requirements and delivers reliable performance for your projects. We would like to thank you very much for watching our video. And if that was helpful, please like and subscribe.